Hi friends, welcome. Today my two youngest kiddos are helping me try out a new product from Hiipoo. One way that we can upcycle fabrics is by applying dye, whether it's multicolored patterns or solids. It's a thrifty way to perk up outdated, plain, or even lightly stained cotton fabric. Hey, are you guys ready to do an unboxing?
Yay!
We'd like to thank Hiipoo for sending us this tie-dye kit to test out and review. Everything that was in our box. So I left the empty bottles in the box. It's great on there where to fill with water. That's really nice. We have 2 empty spray bottles, gloves, rubber bands, and color stickers for the dye bottles. Here's the dye. It does come in powder form. These are the empty Ziploc bags. Some tie-dye techniques along with our instructions.
No, I think I'm just going to go into alternating order till I leave about this much space left. I'm trying to get all precise, but it's not going to work. Oh.
Nick, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Ta-da!
My bucket is just
Are you done?
speckles.
What technique are you using?
I'm using the crumple technique.
The crumple technique?
Yep.
And you're going to use the same colors on your tank top that you are on your capris?
Yep.
So we found out that the gold that kind of looks more like a yellow on the sticker is not the gold. It's more of an orange. And this still came out great. It's a beautiful color, but I just wanted you guys to know ahead of time in case you get the kit. So I'm going to give this a try. I grabbed a brand new paintbrush. I got that at Walmart. I have 2 100% cotton bags that have been washed and they're both damp. And I'm going to try this ombre version that you can apply with the paintbrush. So I'm right in my element with the paintbrush. I have a bowl of dye, straight dye, a bowl of water mixed with dye, and then just a bowl with water. This is so much fun. I apologize that I wasn't in the frame, but I'll show you on the blue one. And that's when you just apply the straight water and pull up the dye. At least I think that's what I was supposed to do. Okay, so I was having fun and I did have a lot of the dye left over. So I took a tea towel, and again, it's washed and damp, and I am making a bullseye. And this is how Peyton did his shirt last summer, and he wears it all the time. It looks so cool. So I wish I would have done that a little different, but oh my gosh, this is just so much fun. We have a lot of dye left over in the new packets. So for homeschool this year, we're going to get together with friends and tie-dye. So I brought all the items in on the porch and let them sit for 24 hours. I did not realize I was supposed to put them all in Ziploc bags. All right, so today is the big reveal. Sophia's going to try to remove the rubber bands without getting dye all over, just so we can reuse them. All right, should we add more water, do you think? You want me to add more water, or you want to do it?
It's covered in cold water.
As much dye as we can before we put it in our washing machine, huh? But boy, not that much dye came out at all, huh?
Not really.
Oh my gosh, Soph! That came out so cool!
Well, I'm definitely going to be wearing this shirt.
Yeah, that's awesome, sweetie. Pate, you did awesome. That is really, really cool.
You know,
Wow, you did a great job. I love it. There were so many things about this tie-dye kit that I liked. Cleanup was very minimal, as well as the waste from this set being minimal as well. So here's the paper towel that we use to clean up in between. We're saving that for scrapbook projects. The bottles we rinsed out along with the plastic gloves, and we salvaged every rubber band. They can all be reused for future products. The 2 plastic bottles we couldn't get to squirt, so I'll save that and try to reuse that. And then that cardboard box we're going to turn into bookmarks. And then basically that is all we had for waste were those empty packages. We absolutely love this kit and we'll definitely purchase it for future projects. I posted my link below for you if you would like to purchase a kit as well. Friends, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this bonus video and I will see you this Sunday. Have a super blessed week and I'll see you then.